Guys, guys, made it on time for it. Made it on time. Guys, that was 82,226 and 67,029. Hello guys, welcome back to my video, or welcome back to my channel. This is On Track with Illy. Today is the final video of 2025. So let's see if you can see many good trains. Thank God I made it on time for that train. If I didn't make it on time, that would have been the only Mark 4 I would have seen today, so thank God I made it on time. How to end with the 170? And then 323,218. That was 172.04 and 424, by the way. That was going from Norwich to Liverpool line. 204 is the ex-derailment train that derailed ages ago. That one we covered. 172.04. So as you can see here, it's a both transport line and a northern. So those are here in Ardwick. So in Ardwick today, today I am at Ardwick, by the way, and you're going to be seeing services by Avanti West Coast, Northern, Transport Line Express, Cross Country, East Midland, Transport for Wales, and you're going to be seeing some freight as well. When I see the Mark 4 set come out to run it here, because if I didn't run it here, that would have been the only Mark 4 set we would have seen today. Because I think the next hour one is the 197. That's going to be going to Pembroke Dock, and then we should see some more transport world, but they're just going to be the 197s now. Oh, and since the Christmas day and everything, there was no even a single Mark 4 set. That's the first Mark 4 set that came back after Christmas Day, which is very good. So I see you when the next train comes. Oh yeah, and as I was coming in, we had a Transpennine 185, 103 going. That was going to Manchester Piccadilly. I don't know where it came from. And guys, if you're looking for 185 111, that one just went past. That one was going to Liverpool Lunch from Cleethorpes, and it was very late. So we won't see 185 111 today for the last day. We won't see 136 on the last day as well. We won't see 136 on the last day of 2025. And yeah, a 157 just went not long ago as well. So we won't be seeing that one either. But anyways, I see you when the next train comes. But I'm very happy to see Royal Diamond on the final day of 2025. And I just seen the 170s, which I'm so happy about. But before I end the clip, we got another train passing by. It's a Transport for Wales, class 197. Okay, let's see what numbers are you. Let's see if it can be a good number on the last day of 2025. This is to London, not from Manchester Airport. That 323 that one passed, 323 to 18, that was to Hatfield, by the way. I'll try to tell you all the destinations of where the train are going to and coming from. This one is coming from Manchester Airport. It's a free carriage 197. Oh! 197, 108, 109. Damn it, you used very close to my new favorite number. And that also used close to my new favorite number, 323,207. That's going from Manchester, that's going to Crewe. That's going to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. Well, to be honest, I did have my new favorite number because 29 is also my new favorite number, and I had to do the Royal Diamond train, so that counts as my new favorite number. And by the way, guys, the 36, 17, 57 comes and 08 and yeah, those are, and 29, those are my new favorite numbers too. So if I see them, those count as my new favorite number. We got something else coming too. It's a cross country. One more thing I want to see in the last day of 2025. I want to see an Ex-Avanti, which I haven't seen a single one yet. Well, I better not speak too soon because maybe this one might be an Ex-Avanti. This is going from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, I think it is an Ex-Avanti one, this one. The front does look like an Ex-Avanti West Coast one. Haven't had time to pause the clip because too many trains are coming at the same time. Yes, it is an Ex-Avanti West Coast. Yes, to end 2025. Come on, Ex-Avanti. So you are 221. What timing? It's 221-114. How dare you cover the Ex-Avanti Northern? But I'm going to let you off because you're 331-112. You're my favorite 331. We're going to have to wait for that one to return now for me to get a proper shot of it. That's going to order the edge from Manchester Piccadilly. And then we've got another train passing by too. Nope, it's a Northern. Oh yeah, this one is the Manchester Airport to Bury-in-Furness, Northern. It's a class of 195. I swear, if anything covers the Ex-Avanti when it comes back, I'm not going to be happy anymore. So nothing better not cover the Ex-Avanti when it comes back. This is to Kirk Circle, this one. 195, 128. 195, 128 to Kirk Circle. Okay, now as another train coming, actually, there is another train coming. In Ardwick, you can never have a rest because too many trains comes at the same time. Now I'm going to keep the clip on. Ah, this one is the B Network Northern 323239. First of all, we're going to record this first. A class 150, very clean 150 to be honest, very clean. $150-110. So this is the B Network Northern 323239. And off for the last day of 2025. $323,239. Yeah, that's the best Northern I've ever seen before. The best color on the Northern 323 I've ever seen before. That's going from Crewe to Manchester. We're going to see that one on this return after. Very good. That's a stunning livery on that 323. I mean, that's the best 323 out of all the 323s I have. I mean, that one is the best colored one. I'll see you when the next train comes. Northern, and we've got Pendolino coming too. Let's see this one first. $195-114. This Pendolino looks different. This Pendolino. From the front, it looks like a liveried one, but it's not. It's a normal liveried. And it's an 11 carriage. Good way to end 2025. 39124 it is. I'm starting to like 39124. So I think that one is gonna be, it's not going to be my stock anymore. I think I'm gonna start to like it because I think I got used to it. That's going from Rugby to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, we've got Transport 185 passing by. Going to Manchester. They're going to Manchester Airport. No, it's going to Cleethorpes, so that's very, very delayed. 185, 185, 102, and 143. See when the next train comes. Okay, passing by now it's a Northern Class 150 going to Manchester Piccadilly. I don't mind the Class 150, guys. I don't know what you think about the Northern Class 150s, but for me, I think they are okay, the Class 150s. They do look similar to the ScotRail ones, which I think is the Class 318 ones. It's going very slowly. I think the Northern Class 150 is fed up. I think it wants to hurry up to go home for New Year's Eve. The good thing is we're gonna have it trash when it leaves. 150, 108 is it? Yep, it's 108, my new favourite number. Oh, I get to scream it. Huh? Yeah, it's a packed train, that one. And by the way, that was 323-220 going from Manchester Piccadilly to Stoke-on-Trent, ex-West Midland trains. I'm going to focus on my new favourite number because I want to have it trash when it leaves. 150, 108. Thank you for using my new favourite number, Northern. Thank you very much. That was a good trash, that one. Good trash. We got 323 going to Manchester Piccadilly. Three two three 227. And then we have a 331 going to Liverpool Line Street. Three 030 and 015. I didn't see 015 since it blew me the horn at Piccadilly last time. That's going to Liverpool Line Street from Manchester Airport. Okay, now passing by the East Midland train class 158 going from Liverpool Line Street to Norwich. One 158-846 and 158-863. Here we have 19514 going from Manchester Piccadilly to Sheffield. Okay, passing by, that's going to be 15110 again, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Royce and Marple. I was right. 150, 110. Is it just me, or is all the class 150s going slow today? Now it started to press the engine. It's giving it the beans. Okay, now past the by, we've got two services. We've got 185 passing. We might get covered by a, I think it's a northern. Yes, 112. 185, 112, going from Manchester Airport to Leeds. My favourite 185. That's 150, 134 going to Buxton. I'm starting to see 150, 134 a lot now. But it's a good way to end 2025, to see 150, 134. Guys, we've got two services coming. Here we have a Northern Class 195, I think. 331, sorry. Then we have 39121 Opportunity, working 1 Alpha 41 from Manchester Piccadilly to Rugby. 025 and 017 was for the Northern. So yeah, this is 39121, working 1 Alpha 41 from Manchester Piccadilly to Rugby. Opportunity. 121! We've got Northern Class 323. But we're going to get covered by the climate. Three 9121. That's going to be coming back to Manchester after around 5:15. And then we're going to have a Northern again. By the way, the 323 that passed the one that the climate covered, which I'm happy the climate covered it anyway, because it's only a 323. It was 323-242 or 212 it was. No offense, guys, by the way, if you like a class 323, no offense about what I just said. And we're going to have a Northern Class 331, I believe, going from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. Or is it going to somewhere else? Yeah, it's going to Blackpool, I was right. But it's not a pair of 331, it's a singular 331. So for carriage variation, it's 331-107.
Huh?
Tesco flight.
From where? From Trafford?
From Daventry to Trafford. To Trafford.
So it's not coming from that.
There's another one coming from Trafford after. Here we have another 331. It's 331-102 going from Old the Edge to Manchester Piccadilly. 331-102. The Ex-Avanti one that we seen that got covered by that class 323, I think it was. That's gonna go to Bristol after that. So that's gonna come back. Not long now. It's gonna come back. So hopefully, nothing's going to cover it. I swear, if another train covers it, I'm gonna get angry because this might be the only Ex-Avanti we get to see today. And I think the Bristol to Piccadilly one is late. That one was late when it went to Piccadilly. So hopefully, nothing will cover it when it goes back. So see you when the next train comes. Guys, we got trainspotting 185 coming. I'm gonna stay up here because to see if I can see the numbers. It should be the return of 185-103. should be the return off, because I see 185-103 going to Piccadilly. Okay, guys, let's just go with 185-103. It's got to be that one again. Because you know, guys, every time I say it should be that number, it always has been that number, and it always is that number. So I'm gonna go with 185-103. Because I know there's no doubt that I'll be wrong on that one. That's going to Leeds. That one. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry. That Transport was going to Stalybridge, not Leeds. But we have another 185. This one should be the Cleethorpes to Liverpool. Actually, wait. No, actually, no. This is the DRF Class 88, working 4H43 from Daventry to Trafford Park. It's passing very early. So this one is 88 002. Prometheus, the name of it. What do you have here? Oh my god, guys, I don't know where to start from now. Where should I begin? Let's go way back. Let's start with the 156. That's Daventry to Trafford 88 002 Prometheus, as I tried to pronounce that name. The 156 that passed was an Ex-Avanti Angular 156-417. And we had a 185 that passed by from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport, 185, 124, and 122. And then we had that 323, 323, 227 on its return, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Hadfield. Wow, I'm on fire. I did pretty good actually explaining all that. So that's all that came by since the flight has been coming. But I think it was a good idea that I faced the 156 because the 156 was better to face the 156 because worst case scenario could have happened where I could have got covered by the 185. The 185 would have definitely covered the containers. So it was good to record the 156, 417. And it had my new favorite number too because it's 417. 17 is a number I started to like just recently. Guys, we've got so many services passing now. Let's start with this one. It's a Transport for World Class 197 going from Cardiff to Piccadilly. Oh, Transport for Wales! 197-043. Wow. This is good. Transport for Wales crossover. What could be better? Yes, that came back. Okay, here we have 018. And 197-121. So 197-018 and 121. And 323-239 just returned on the service to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. Now, where the hell is the Ex-Avanti one? I really want to record it now. That's going to Crewe. I bet the Ex-Avanti got delayed. I think the Ex-Avanti decided it was a good idea to be late. Well, it's not surprising because trains are always flipping late anyway, so it's not surprising. 323-239. I think the trains in Manchester have the world record of being late. I mean, that's never a new news. I think trains in Manchester are always late, especially Avanti West Coast. Avanti West Coast get late pretty much. They don't get late for ages, but they get late. I think Avanti West Coast get late more often than any other trains. No offense, Avanti West Coast. To be honest, those are my favorite trains anyway. Pendolino trains. See when the next train comes. Guys, now passing by should be my new favorite number, 150-108, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Chester. No, it's not. It's 144. 150-144. And then we got another thing coming. I should have waited before I screamed it, because now I screamed that at the wrong moment. Then we got Transport now also coming. If the Transport 9 is my new favorite number, then that's mean I didn't scream at the wrong moment. But anyways, here 397-002. It's not in service apparently. It's not in service apparently. 397-002. I already seen 2 002s now. It's in 88-002, and I've seen 397-002. Wow, look at it switch tracks. Look at it switch tracks right over there. That is flipping cool, that one. And 156 that passed, before I forget to say it, is 156-414. That was going to Manchester Piccadilly from, I think it was Buxton or Chester. But 150-108 should return back. I don't know when that's going to return back. Okay, passing by now is going to be 391-24 on his return, working 1 Alpha 42 from Manchester Piccadilly to Northampton. Wow, that 124 is really powering down now. It's really going fast. And there goes 195-118 going from Barrow-in-Furness to Manchester Airport. Or, yeah, should be going there. Or maybe Kirk Circle to Manchester Airport. Either of those two. 397-002 is just stopped over there. It just stopped and it's having a rest. Okay, 397-002 is coming back. I think I got an idea what it's doing. I think because we didn't have a Manchester Airport service, I think this one is going to be going to work on the service to Glasgow. 397-002. I like these 397s, but I prefer the 802 ones. $397-002. And we also have an Avanti West Coast Class 390, which is very late, going from Northampton to Manchester Piccadilly. My new favorite number! My new favorite number, 323-208. My new favorite number, 417. And that's Stephen Sutton, 390-002. 002. Today I seen 3 002s. I seen 88-002, 397-002, now 390-002. 002 squad. And the 331 was 331016 and 022 was the 331. And I said both of my new favourite numbers. 156417 was going to Rosehill Marpole and 323208 was going from Hatfield to Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah. We've got something else coming, but I'll get it in the next clip. I'm not even going to assume this 150 is going to be my new favourite number, because if I say it, it's not my new favourite number then. But I'm not going to assume it's going to be my new favourite number. Let's just see if it's going to be or not. Oh, sorry guys, let me just zoom out. This is to Hazel Grove from Manchester Piccadilly. Yes, it is my new favourite number, 150108. That's going to Hazel Grove from Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, so that 331 is going dead slow. We've got 150 coming again, going to Manchester Piccadilly. Now, this is what I should have said. This should be my new favourite number. Instead of saying it for the other 150, that 151. Instead of saying it for 150, 144, I should have said it for what this one is now. So this is 150, 140. That 51, God knows what it's doing. I'm gonna see when it's gonna go after. It's a 4-carriage 331 anyway. The 331/1s. I don't know what it was. I don't know what the hell is that 331 actually doing, because it stopped. Okay, this is the Cleethorpes one. Transpotting 185, if to be precise. $185 149, and then we've got another Transpotting 185. No idea where this one's off to. I get you the destination right now. Alright, that's going to Liverpool. That's going to Liverpool from Cleethorpes. That's 195016 going to Manchester Piccadilly. It's been a while since I haven't seen the 2-carriage class 1 and 5. So before I forget, the Transpotting 185 to 185, 115 and 131 was the number at 185. Before I forget. But I remember last time when I came here, which I think it was Monday? Hold on. Before I say that, should have been Ex-Avanti coming back. Actually, I can say it, it's not coming now. I forgot to say the 51 number, but I did put it on TikTok anyway, so you can see it there. But I'm just trying to not forget to say the numbers for you on the trains. Okay, this one should be the Ex-Avanti. Please be an Ex-Avanti. It should be the return of 221114 again. Going to Bournemouth. Straight accent. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Ex-Avanti 2214. At least I get to proper record it now. After they and decided it was a good idea to cover it before. That's to Bournemouth. Ex-Avanti, Happy New Year, Ex-Avanti. Today is the final time of 2025. Look like most of the cross countries today are not running because that one got delayed coming. We didn't even have the Bristol to Piccadilly turned up. We didn't even have Bournemouth to Piccadilly turned up. So most of the class 221s now. They were 20 and 014 again. then here we have 323 233 going to Manchester Piccadilly. I think that nose one over there is deciding it's a good idea to have a rest. Maybe it's a bit like this, like that. Comsy. Okay, guys. 4L56, the flight usually always comes. Last time I didn't make it on time for it and it came on time. This time it doesn't decide to come. So this is going to be our final train anyway. So I would like to say Happy New Year to you all, because today is the last day of 2025 and it's the 30th of December. So tomorrow is 2026. So Happy New Year, guys. This is the final video of 2025. And I'm going to end it there. So thank you all very much for watching. If you like it, you can like and subscribe. So I will see you later after this one, which is a class 331. Come on, 331. Get the best numbers for the last video of 2025. Come on, you can do it. Let's see. Blackpool North, Manchester Airport to Blackpool. Yes, my new favourite number leading, 017. What's the back one? 025. Not bad. At least it was my new favourite number leading. Yes, I'll see you later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.